Alright, let's begin. This is the Rain World soundtrack, which I haven't played in a while. And now, to resume the game. So let's see. Last time on my epic adventure to make a video game by November, which is, man, this is not even gonna be. I'm probably just gonna have to like cut all of the story, or I'll have to somehow dramatically truncate it. Oh yeah, I wasn't in here last time, and I didn't have all this debug stuff, but basically I decided off stream that I'm gonna completely rework this area. So there used to be a bunch of random crap in here, but I decided it's gonna be a storage area and a tutorial for basically another tutorial for the movement and some more advanced stuff like wall jumping. So like, and also this fence, the player can't move through it, but they can shoot through it. That could be useful later. And also we can see our lovely frame time. I'm getting a crispy 25 FPS. That's great. And also, I was having a really serious bug where it was silently crashing with basically, well, with no error message. It was just, I've had that before. Sometimes Godot just doesn't do things. And I think it was because when I teleport, it unloaded things, or it didn't unload them. And then, I don't know. Like maybe when the unload queue was finished, for some reason it was causing some thread issue and dying. But so what I did was just force it to unload all chunks when you teleport. Alright, now we're back where I was. I also started working on a big tree. I'm not going to stream putting the leaves on the tree. It is so much work. Hang on. Putting leaves on trees is miserable. Also, I don't even have my chat up. What am I even doing? How can I even call myself a streamer if I'm not looking at chat? Alright. So yeah, climbable little tree. I'm pretty sure I only spent like 20 minutes putting leaves, but I swear to God it felt like 4.5 hours. It was terrible. It's so tedious. I mean, imagine that tree, but literally 10 times bigger, and 10 times more detail. I mean, at least it looks pretty good. Like, I mean, it's not the greatest tree in the world or anything, but it's pretty close, you know? Oh yeah, another thing that I changed just today. Oh, well, so much for that. I was gonna do an epic gamer thing where I jumped up to there. Those enemies in the distance are flat black. Because I changed it, I used to have a shader, or a custom shader that I had made, which had like a shield looking thing, but they're not shielded. These enemies have cloaks. So yeah, the flat black enemies, the player doesn't lock onto them automatically. You have to aim manually. Oh, they're infighting already. That's good. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I don't know, I'm just gonna put some more rocks and more trees. And some more artifacts and stuff. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with this area. I just want it to be, I don't know, just a fun little place to run around and play with the gun. And I also need to... So I have 3 chunks that are going to be essentially part of this, like, area to tutorialize that bubble shooting gun. It'll be chunk 73, so it'll be Yeah, 73, which is the town. 85, which is the start of this canyon, and then 97, which is the end and start of this old village. Which, actually, before I do anything else, I'm going to make this mostly downhill, because I want the player to learn. The player's going to get the hover scooter here, and it's fun to just go downhill like this. So I want to have I want to make this like a half pipe, so the player could just play around with it. And that'll get a bit more variety here as well. Alright, let's see if I can... Because basically the players... At this point the players had enough... Oh. Or the players had enough tutorialization for the whatever it is, the bubble shot, the wave shot, whatever I'm calling it. So now they can get some tutorialization for other things, and like they can learn how to ride on hills. It'll be just a fun little time. So yeah, this way. Like that. I can amp up the music a little bit. This is good. This is a bit too quiet. All right, that seems okay. Alright, now it's looking pretty good. And I'll have, I guess I should also have a bit more, like, ramps and stuff over here as well. So that way the player can enjoy that and then get sucked down into this. I wonder why I did it so badly. It's like I didn't even know about this little trick. Look at that. Now we have, I don't know what that's going to be used for. I remember when this was going to be like my big, cool level. And then I was like, no, that's not even, this isn't anything. And so I had to make this whole huge area here. But okay. Let's see. I'll say that's good for there. Oop. I'll say that's good enough. And I've been looking at my games to figure out what music I haven't played, and I'm running out of games to do like the little 1-minute reviews on. Oh yeah, I didn't even give a review on Rain World. It's pretty good. It's very esoteric. I haven't actually beaten it yet. I got kind of lost. That's a game I could beat. It's very fun. It's a very physics-based game. It's sort of like an alien nature documentary. That's how I would describe it. Let's see. And none of this is useful, so I'll hide all this debug stuff. And I'm thinking at some point I may want to load into like isolated levels, but I don't have that. Like, I'll have to extend my save system a little bit if I want to do that. And also I'd need to make the isolated levels. But I may just do what I'm doing right now, which is, you know, making everything in this huge world with a vast render distance, and then just hoping that the performance isn't terrible for other people. Alright, let's just skip all this stuff for now. The player can have some fun doing whatever they want. I'll put like a rock here or something to make it a bit harder to get around. And more enemies as well. And resetting the falling platforms. But okay, down here, that's the way to get across. Oh yeah, I forgot to even add the tutorial for the, Oh wait, no. I forgot to test the tutorial for the hoverboard. So we can go up here and get that. Also, the player doesn't currently learn anything here. Like, that's the entire point of like, oh, your mom used to live at this village. You should go there. Oh well. Let's see, can these guys even see me from here? Oh. Yeah, right here is the hover scooter. I don't know how easily the player will notice that. Did I delete the things on this side here? No, I didn't. I think that gunner does that sometimes. They disappear. I forget why that happens. Oh, what the hell? Wait. Actually, what the hell? Okay, so I'm at 109. I think that's where it is. I must have moved the terrain at some point. Also, why is this? Oh yeah, that guy. I remember that guy. Okay. I moved a bunch of stuff. I'll keep that there. Let's get all this other crap up here. A lot of this stuff is just kind of useless now. Well, I mean, wow, what did I... Well, I guess I know what I did. I just completely screwed it up. Or didn't even bother checking to see that I had completely screwed up this terrain here. Oh yeah, all of these gunners are like... Okay. I can slowly get these guys back. After this, I'm gonna make an easy game. I'm tired of making hard games. Well, I've had a million ideas for what I want to do after this. It could be easy, it could be harder. Let's see. Okay, and this was historically because this was the only way up, but now it's not. But oh well. This is now completely redundant, so just, well. Let's see how this looks now. Why do they disappear like that? Hang on. Yeah, this is something that I have seen before. Also, do they have a shield? They don't. I don't think. Oh, I do have a shield. Okay, that's good. What a relief. I was worried that I didn't have a shield. Wait, no, but what was I actually trying to solve? I think it's because I'm changing the collision shape. What I might want to do... What I could do is just never have this disabled. I mean, then there is the issue that the player could, or that their collisions are theoretically different now. Like, the player can, like, jump on the little shelf that they make. Also, why isn't he jumping away from me? Yeah, they're definitely not very effective at close range. Okay, that didn't help. Whatever, or that... Well, okay, let's test again. So, I think it's because the collision... Well, that's the only thing I can think of, that those collision layers are what's affecting it. Do I have... I have a trail system. How does this work? Immediate geometry. Let's see how this looks. I don't think it's doing anything. I don't think this does anything either. But basically, I want to see a little trail. Yeah, there we go. So that shows his motion. Kind of. He disappeared. Okay. That may not help very much. Yeah, that didn't help. Alright, let's just print what happens to him. AI.dead. Fall down. So now every frame it'll just show me that. Actually, let's kill him in the air. Okay. I don't know why I did print debug. But okay. His position has gotten out of control. Velocity. Then position. So yeah, for some reason he was sent 1,600 meters in the air. How do I do it with the crawler? I don't use fall down. Okay, I think this might have been more obvious than I was making it out to be. Let's disable that again. And let's make it do what it did before. Yeah. Because I think that fall down function must have been it. Because I was designed for the, Oh, it doesn't do anything. Okay. Well, glad I solved that before I made a fool of myself. Huh? Hang on. Did I implement it somewhere else? Okay. Maybe that was a fluke. Maybe now he was in the air not colliding with something. Maybe that was the secret. I'm gonna say, I don't quite understand that. I'm, yeah, not quite following what I'm looking at there. Also, did I ever fix these guys' bugged laser? At some points, the laser just went invisible. Like, because of, I don't know, drawing the geometry wrong. What does this mean? It was not, it was, hang on. This is baffling to me. Okay. Hang on. I want to put fall down back. Because that was for kinematic bodies, or when the enemies were kinematic. Okay, now let's do this. Actually, let's see what this is. So it is a pass function. It is a function that does nothing. As far as I can tell. Like, is there? No, there's no other implementation, I don't think. This inherits from it. And that's the only instance where it's used. And then I print the velocity and it's all screwed up. Like, it's all these, like, massive numbers. And it's not even, like, from frame 1, it's completely screwed up. You know, just sent up thousands of meters in the air. And then the velocity, like, doesn't do it. And, oh, and then the velocity gets very screwed up. Maybe it's trying to... I don't know what that means. Yeah, but basically it goes from 0 velocity, but it's, like, flung up into the air. Oh, wait, no, it's not. I'm an idiot. This is the vertical position. Okay, but its velocity does go up to, like, 84,000 within a couple frames. So that is the problem there. But that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so logically, there's literally no way that this is the issue. Unless there's just some utterly unimaginable bug. Like, I don't know, maybe the script is getting imported wrong, and it's, like, getting an older version of the function, but that's, like, incomprehensible. Like, the function was completely removed when I turned from kinematic bodies to rigid bodies. So it's like it would just like error out with, like, you know, method not available, move and collide or whatever. Okay, good. Well, not good, but okay. So let's reset. The fall down method is now commented out. It could be because I changed the that collider at the same time. That could be it, actually. But then it couldn't be both, because I thought I had disabled the enabled the collider. Okay. So that's that. Maybe I needed to reset. Maybe I didn't do that properly. But yeah, let's re-enable that. Because that would make the most sense. That, you know, the collider was disabled, and then it was enabled at some point, and that screwed it up. It could also be because it's off-center. now that I think about it. Also, it's like, what is that? What's this guy's collision? Why is that happening? Okay, multiple bugs. How is the player even colliding with this? Because we're on layers 2 and mask, or 2, 4, mask 1. The gunner... Oh, okay. Masks 3 and 4. So we're colliding there. But then why is the player, like, all screwed up on it? Desired velocity. Ground is... floor dot. What is this? You know, maybe I should just make this not collide with the player. Like, why does the player even collide with this in the first place? Like, because, if we go to the Crawley, eventually. Mask 1. Wait, what happens when this thing dies? Collision layer equals 0. So what does the gunner do? And why is the gunner like this? Is this because its laser is, it must be because of this laser. But I can just exclude it, I think. Yeah, I mean, I can, yeah. It's already excluded, so I don't need it to, like, do anything fancy. And this way, I just don't deal with that. Wait, I'm just realizing now I already solved the issue. Yeah. Wait, I'm solving so many issues at the same time that I didn't even remember what issue I was solving. Where'd that guy go? Also, I can turn this body into a rigid body now. That rock. Well, no, actually the problem was I didn't want the player, like, bumping into it. Also, I'm gonna add grass over here. Well, no, I kind of like it just in the, just in there. There he goes. Let's see, I'm trying to think if I want this to be like the appropriate distance for the auto lock on. I think it's about right. These guys can aim way further than you can. Or at least, way further than you can lock on. Also, I think I was seeing the laser go bad. Because what I've been thinking, this is going to look kind of dumb. But wait, how do I scale it from here? Let's do that. Let's make Z. So this is going to be... yeah. And then I'm going to change the type of this. Ah, well. Oh wait, I just realized I need a custom mesh for this. Because what I'm going to do... Let's do a cylinder. Let's make it like 3. Oh wait, no. Let's call this laser. It'll go into weapons. And I'll export it. Oh wait, I just remembered the entire reason I had that like that. Oh well. Let's merge from scene. Oh wait. Let's just make a laser. This is all dumb. Actually, I have an idea. This will be changed to a spring arm. And then if I go to laser, it should be, yeah, like that. Oh wait. I keep forgetting the entire reason I didn't set it up like that. Which is that the children of a spring arm are located at the end of the spring arm. So if I make the collision, because I want this little tube essentially is going to scale up. It's going to be like, instead of drawing all that geometry, I'm just going to scale it. So that way I don't have to worry about redrawing stuff because it's kind of janky. And then it should probably perform a little bit better, but that's not, I guess, that big a deal. Spatial. Alright, let's close all these tabs. So I need this one. Then I need this one. Then I need to figure out what scripts I need. Because I'm going to have this here. And I'll need it to replicate the collision mask and the, well, I have a great idea. Where's the laser geometry here? Oh, it's this. There we go. Remove that. Put this here, put this here. Assign this to its parent. There we go. Took me a bit. And this should hopefully work the same as it always has. Well, I'm glad to see the whole world went fucking invisible. Yeah, I'm glad the whole entire world has fallen apart because of this. What, a mesh? What, one mesh? What is this, 0? Is this ever 0? Let's do if L. Oh wait, hang on. It's because I can't... How do I set the scale manually? Dot. I think it's the basis, and then to scale Z, I do that. There we go. This is also somehow introduced like twitching to the gun. Maybe it's the frame rate? Oh, I realize. Okay. God damn it. I know exactly what's happening. I'm scaling the collision shape. I'm an idiot. I'm just failing miserably at like doing basic tasks. Okay, there we go. So now I need to fix this, because it needs to be cast. There we go. Now we have our laser looking good. It should look the same, but now there's hope. Hang on, it's like really jittery. Is it just the horrible frame rate that I'm seeing on the left? Hang on, I'm gonna crawl down into this hole where there's better frame rate because of all the occlusion planes. Actually, Let's see if I can improve the graphics. Wait, I don't need that. I need that. Okay. I need to figure out if that horrible frame rate is like... Well, I need to figure out if that jittering is because of the environment or if it's because of some like underlying issue that I've now introduced with... Oh, god damn it. It's because this has the script by default. I should not have put the script by default. It was such a mistake to put this here by default, but not break everything else, which does use it. Like, why would I attach a script to a random, like, physics prop? Like, why would it move by default? Yuck. I mean, it seems like it's because of the horrible frame rate still. Like, I'm still having terrible frame. I have 2 instances of Blender open. Is that it? I mean, that's certain. Wait, no, I don't. Because it's like, it feels like the frame rate's even worse than it usually is. I mean, I guess regardless, it shouldn't look this bad at these frame rates. Because it's like, it's hovering around like 50 FPS, I think. Oh, that's intriguing. Okay, what on earth is that? How many things are going to break today? The guns are overlapping with each other. All the things keep popping in. Okay, what is this? Why is that not doing anything? Why is that there? Stow? Why do I do that? Oh, right. I forgot. I only recently made it so the weapons actually inherit from a common class. Like, that was like a recent development. And I changed the stow method. Because before it wasn't really used for very many things, but now it actually is. Like, it's used for like hiding things and stuff. Okay. And then I had an issue where it was... Why was it hidden for a bit? I don't know what I triggered to do that, or did to trigger that. Ooh. Oh, right. Okay. That's pretty fun, I think. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. That's the sync to physics bug. Because these kinematic bodies, some of these, wherever they are, these ones, yeah, I think sync to physics has now just stopped working. Like, it already didn't work, now it just stopped working entirely. Oh, it's because the rotation and the translation are tracked. Yeah, like, I don't need those. Dang it. Okay, that seems to work pretty well. That was something I was testing at some point and never actually did whatever to. Alright. Okay, where do I print time shift? Like, you would think it would be in here, but it's not. Maybe it's in the player? Oh, the animator. Okay, I still don't actually... There's a bug that I was going to test, where these guys have sort of like a weird hitbox around their legs now. But alright. Whatever, they jump away from the player, it doesn't matter. There's like a weird shelf. They're fine. Let's turn on all the graphics again. Because it's clear that it's clear the bad frame rate isn't going to go away. Alright, I just gotta get started on the content. I gotta stop printing out their thing every frame. Also, I just realized this doesn't even matter anymore. Like this hitbox, it's completely redundant. So is this, because the player doesn't collide with it, and I don't care what the behavior is for AI that collides with it. So yeah, all that fiddling with that thing doesn't even matter. I don't care. Alright, now for the things that matter. Let's just throw some crap down. I want rocks. I still don't have the faintest idea what the actual like rules are for where to place or where it places things. Actually, but I do remember. Now it should like, yeah, now it just places it against the ground. Like, so now I can just do this. And then I guess put some of this reactive foliage, which looks terrible, but that's okay. These are my epic juniper trees. My little junipers. Fantastic. Okay, and I think these things... Oh, wait. So when the player dies or respawns, these little collapsible platforms are also gonna reset. Also, I really should have done this better. I think my little dash kinematic auto importer thing, it's not actually that good. Like, it's not benefiting me very much. Because I should have had the kinematic body here as like the root node. But oh well. but let's move this to this side. So that way the player has a way of getting back here if they fall. What did I put in here? Well, that's there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a rock. Just pretend that little thing. Well, hang on. I can just make this look good. Alright, but that's fine. Alright, let's put some crates. And a bug. Let's make it like 6 bugs. Let's see. I want an interesting structure here, but I don't know exactly what. Nah, I'll just put a hut. Interesting structures are for people who have the time to make interesting things. There'll just be a little thing here, and there'll be a wardrobe inside. maybe always. This is me trying to figure out how to get this thing to not, well, the shadows don't render right now. Let's just add a couple coats in here. I know, just for fun, there will be a enemy in here that's cloaked. Hang on, does this not... What? Why does this have reset on player death? Oh right, item pickups have that, and I never use it. Yeah, so I'm gonna remove that. Because the only thing I need to reset is the ammo spawns. I don't think this will even work right, because I need a custom area. But oh well. I know, they'll be shielded and cloaked, just to be a real bastard to the player. What is Empire? Shop stand. My chat just reset. Did my stream reset? No, okay, that's looking fine. Alright, I'm gonna put these in funny ways, so that way the player has something to look at. Ooh, the player can get up to here now without any sort of, like, assistance. I'll figure out what to put there. For now, I'll just put some bugs. I guess that's, because I'm feeling kind of bad about how the fact that there's not really anything to find. Like, there's not really any secondary loops for the player to, like, get excited about. Like, there's the bugs and there's the gems. But those aren't really, like, anything. You know, because I do have some, like, upgrade systems, but I don't know. It does feel like at a lot of points I need, like, more stuff. Like, that 3 bugs is not really a reward. I don't think any amount of bugs would feel that rewarding at this point in the game's, like, or when in the playthrough, I guess. Because it's just a collectible. It's not advancing anything. I guess I could put, like, a cave here. I'll do that. Let's have a little fun. And then in the cave there'll be bugs, and then it'll be cool. Oh yeah, this will be not fun to deal with. Yeah, basically, I want a little cave right in here. What's the height of this? Oop. 7 meters. That'll be fine. What should this connect to? I guess... Well, I guess it can connect all the way over to here. That'd be a wicked long path, but... Ah, well, I think that'd be funny. Let's say it'll go right in here. Oh. So what is that? That's gonna be... the top. This is a wicked long trip. And like, I don't even know what this connects to still. Like, it doesn't really do anything right now. I think eventually it'll go like kilometers this way. And also I think this can also connect into it. Yeah, because currently this... Oh, these don't even like match anymore. Let's do like... There we go. Now it connects perfectly. It's completely logical. Look at that. Perfect and beautiful, as it always was. Alright, where's that other thing? Oh my god. It's gonna go like thousands of meters down. Okay, I'll leave it like this for now. Because this is, well, no, I won't leave it like this. This is terrible. But I do also need to change this so that you can actually get out of this cave, because, like this, yeah, that's not going to be there anymore. You can just climb out. Because otherwise, the player is probably going to get stuck here because they have to fumble in the dark and find this path up and then have the stamina to climb this, which I don't even know how they do. Or I guess they can find this itty-bitty cave on the side of this wall here, which I would like to hide a bit better. I guess this kind of does the opposite, where now it's like more obvious that there's something here. Yeah, because now it's like, how could there not be something there? Then it goes down. And I'll figure out something fun to put in this huge area. But it will also just almost be a straight drop. Just complete darkness as well. And for now, I guess it'll be like... Actually, I know exactly how this will work. I've had an idea for a bit of something I can do that's like a long tube like this. So this will be part of it. and then eventually it'll connect with the next thing, or the next chunk here. This is like a kilometer drop. But yeah, so this one, there's no way, there's not a chance in hell that the player actually has the ability to climb up this thing. And that's kind of the point. It'll be like the 10-mile drop or something. But there will be a little, like, there'll be a little thing here. There'll be a convenience store here. That'll be fun. Just a perfectly normal convenience store. Alright. Now we have a perfectly good thing. I'm not even going to bother with the seam stitching for now, because I gotta keep re-importing or exporting this. Alright, I want to see this again. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, my laser is no longer invisible when I don't need it. Because I want to see if I can get, yeah, I want to see if I can get up to that cliff with just my normal tools. And then, just to waste a bunch of time, I'll play test the completely empty cave. So that way I don't have, or as an act of procrastination from the other things that I need to do. Why are those guys active? Like, their animations shouldn't be moving at this distance. Whew. Oh, that was useless. Oh yeah, I completely forgot. Between this stream and last stream, I added a little front flip when you successfully do a high jump. It's not anything to look or write home about, but it just adds a little bit, I think, of flair to it. What is this? Why is this like this? Oh yeah, also eventually I'm going to add a bit of logic so that if you're sliding but you haven't moved in a bit, it'll just set you back to like a normal ground state. Because otherwise... Oh yeah, I think I need to make this... I need to do something better with the sounds. Like have some sort of system for like emitting sounds without the node needing to be there still. I like this thing. Doesn't do anything, but... That was weird. Oh, it's because it's dependent on my direction. Like the direction of my okay. It doesn't determine the direction that I'm attacking from. It determines the direction of, like, my attack. So I may need to change that fundamentally. But oh well. For now, it's okay as it is. The player can just discover that and cheat. Because basically, even if these guys are facing you, it considers it an attack from behind them if you, like, do this. So, like, if you can muster it, or if you can manage it. Let's see, I want... What coat do I want? This one's good. I only have one super rare. No sublimes. My commons suck. My rares are pretty good. Or uncommon. Or at least this one. Uncommon. That one's okay. This one's pretty good. I'm gonna use... Well, I guess the obvious choice. Very important gameplay decisions here. Oh, you have to high jump to get to this, I think. I'll get it eventually. I'll get it this time. Everything seems bigger than I remember it. Like, legitimately, are these bigger? It feels like I screwed up the scaling here. Like, hang on, I need to check this. I legitimately think I scaled them. Okay, I didn't. Yeah, maybe I'll put some kinematic rocks down. Let's put them like at like, I don't know, 5, and then 10, and then like 7 maybe? I'll figure those out someday. Someday. But for now, the exciting act of exploring the cave. Ooh, that is very obscure, actually. I think this is going to work out really well. Alright, this is the right way. Oh, right. The ground here is like... Oh, wait, no, it's because I also slightly changed how the sliding works off-stream. Now you also keep sliding for a little bit, even if when you're on solid ground, to prevent some jank. You know, for my next game, I kind of want to make a cave game, like emphasize the caves here. You know, like force the player to really squeeze into things. Yeah, convenience store would be nice there. Let's just drive down here. Oh wait, I'm already at the dip? I thought that would be a lot longer. Yeah, that wasn't terribly dramatic at all, actually. Alright, I'm gonna put, oh. So first thing, all of these are going to be in their own little zone. Actually, I'll change the type of this. Oh. This way I can put some gems down and they'll be parented properly.
What fate a slug cat?
Let's see.
Predator.
I don't need this guy. I'm gonna do some Fallout music. And hang on. Did my crate not have the... Oh no, it did have the pickup. That just didn't... Oh yeah, because by default it does the wrong thing. There we go. So we have that. Let's call this Zone Cave. In fact, let's call it Cave 1. So this will be some kind of thing for here. What am I doing? What is this? Oh, I'm dragging the wrong thing. Okay. So this is going to be an interior. And I guess I'll put like a little bit of light. Oh yeah, hopefully the player gets a lamp at this point. I'm going to make it so that they have to get a lamp from somewhere else, because there's multiple other caves. And there'll be, let's say, that much intensity. Also, for some reason, when the intensity is 0, I think it sets it back to 1 to avoid some sort of division by 0 error. Or maybe it's having a division by 0 error, and it's just silently failing to 1. I don't know. But okay. This should be easier to deal with than the... Yeah. Well, I should probably make this a bit more agreeable as well. I'll put like some like shelves here, so that way the player can climb and then regain stamina and climb again. Ooh. Okay, that's not gonna work. Actually, let's make it so that this is going to have like the, well, it'll be like this. So that way it's just like black at the back, and it's like, no, I'm not going to deal with that until I have like a light or something. Or at least hopefully that's what the player thinks. So this will be the outdoor reflection probe. So this will be kind of what mediates outside versus inside. Not very gracefully, honestly. Yeah, it's like super, super... Well, what if I lower the intensity? I don't think that did anything. Yeah. That's not doing anything. wonder how big I can make this. I think it... Actually, I think this can be really big now. Like, I think that there's basically nothing under here that I have to worry about. Yeah, I think this will be fine. Well, maybe. This might be... This is probably an open question. Let's move that over here. Oh, okay. And reflection probes are disabled by the occluders. If they're, like, completely occluded. But alright. You know what? I don't think these guys are gonna respawn. Let's see. Where are those guys? They were in the cliff zone. Yeah, those guys don't respawn. But they do reset on player death. Yeah, so you can see the enemy is like shield on me, but because of the way the attacks work, or the way the shield works specifically. Maybe I just need to adjust the player's hitbox. That's a great secret, I think. That's like just devious. And then there will be nothing there. Let's see if I can even get out. Yeah, I don't think there's much help or hope for me. Oh crap. I thought there was a death plane there. So there's gonna be a death plane here, basically. Okay, let's put some omni lights. Or I know what I need to do. Multi-mesh system. So this is zone cave 2. Where's the light? Or distance visible. Right, so this will only be visible from like 300 meters away. I don't think it's even possible to see that distance. And this light will be very low. And like that color. Wait, am I even in here now? Let's get that. Let's remove the player. Or the debug menu, I should say. Let's see if that light popped up. Maybe I haven't moved enough? Where am I? I don't even know where I am. Because, like, this is where I drop off. And then that connects to, that connects to here, so there'd be a drop off there. Or that way. Maybe that will do anything? Like, seriously, where am I? I don't think there's any other shelves. Maybe I should have made these caves separate chunks. I can do that at some point if I really want to. But I'm just kind of thinking to myself now. Maybe this thing is in the wrong place? No, but that doesn't make any sense. I will put this death plane back, though. Alright, what if I remove the script from this for now? And then I toggle the visibility. I gotta be near it. I know. There'll be a collapsible rock here, just in case the player wants it, and can, like, safely navigate to it. And that way they don't have to work so much to get to that. And then there's this cave here, which is just barely visible. But seriously, why isn't this thing, like... I must be in, like, the wrong place. What if I glitch out? Okay. What exactly am I looking at here? I don't know what that is. So that's... Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot. I'm at the bottom of the pit. Okay. Oh, I saved at the bottom of the pit. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, this became a lot more clear now. Oh, it kills me. Uh-oh. Let's... Hang on, I can figure this out. Wow, like 0... Hang on. There we go. Oop. Whoops. Okay, but oh well. We have one little tiny area. Yeah, there we go. Now we're in a spooky cave. And there's green? Why is there green? Very strange. Well, I know what I can do about that. Alright, the rest of this looks fine. I wonder why that was like that. Oh well. So that should be fixed next time this is active. And then there's just this little pathetic tiny platforming challenge. Also, I'm going to change the player's respawn color to maybe a dark green. Something fun. Well, no. I'll just change it to like black. So yeah, this is terrible. Now when you reset, it does that. Instead of flashing white horribly. Whew. I don't think there's like a way. I'm gonna try to do this without this pistol. I think this was designed for a much older version of the moveset. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a dubious possibility. Oh no. Well, we'll see if it... Okay, good. It does respawn. So the player can't do a spin kick onto it because that accidentally breaks it. I'll have to make a sound effect for the thing. Oh. That's a viable strategy, I think. Okay, what happened there was the roll damaged it, I think. And then it was... Yeah, because rolling damages things. I might want to just add like a health bar to this thing. So that way, you know, maybe it has like 10 health. So when I do 5 damage with my attacks, or with my roll at least. Because I think there are 2 issues. One is that it's considered a ground object. For like moving platform stuff. Actually, I can just fix that now. Yeah, this thing... Oh wait, no. Yeah, it's not a moving platform anymore. So now... Oh. Uh-oh. I must have... Oh, right. I guess I just described that wrong. But, okay. I think I've just realized my trick. That was a red herring. That middle pling. Like that middle thing. Oh. It's not actually something that you're meant to grab onto. You're supposed to climb through that. Which is just diabolical, just evil. Especially without any stamina ups, I don't think it's actually possible to... Alright, so hopefully the player would have this by the time they get here, but if they don't, I'm still going to test it like normally. Yeah, that doesn't work either. God damn it. I think I'm going to put 2 of these right next to each other, just to give more of a rolling start. Also, I need to add the environment overrides for this area. Oh, crap. You know, I'm gonna put a little thing. So for now, it's just going to be sort of a crummy thing. But this is going to be a stamina up. And it will be, yeah, it'll be persistent. Yeah, that seems good. Okay, look at that. And also, I'm going to change the stamina up and stamina recharge thing now, because I've been wanting to do that. So it's stamina recovery up. Yeah, this no longer exists. And I can remove it from here. Oh, I didn't even have it. I don't think. Oh wait, so for my inventory, UI items, player description, stamina recovery up is no longer here. Okay. So now for our inventory, we have us, we have it's me, stamina up 1. Oh wait, can I not? Oh, it's the pause menu, I forgot. Okay. So that should give the player a little bit of an edge. Alright, and I'm still going to try it with the, well, also I need to fix this eventually. Basically, it's physically offsetting the raycast for the camera, when there should be, I guess, a raycast to a raycast, or maybe just it changes the target position of the cast. Something like that. Okay, so I need just a little thing, just another little thing there. And I think that'll also help subtly hint that that's the way that you're supposed to go. Yeah, okay. So that's going to be... I'll have a little chime for the stamina ups and other things. And probably like a little UI element that tells you what you got, so you don't have to like observe it. Yeah, right there. Oh. Oh, right, the point, like the 0.5 seconds of like sliding is actually kind of scary. Oh, okay, I can definitely make that now. That red herring is so mean, though. I don't think it's even physically possible to jump there without like without this gun. Though I guess that'd make it. I guess then it'd be pretty feasible, though. So it'd be much more interesting if the player comes down here without it. Oh crap. Well. I know. I'll put natural sources of water for the player to save at. Because eventually I think I'm going to remove the flags because they're sort of a confusing gameplay element and I don't like forcing the player to like make their own checkpoints or like stock up on these beforehand. Well, I might keep it just as sort of like an option. But I want it to feel like an option. Okay. Phew. Another brutally hard platforming challenge. What's this? Alright, and I'm curious to see... Oh, that's pretty cool. I kind of like the fog like that. I'm not going to have the whole light, but... Hang on. What if I... So if I save and quit, I'm going to just cap this off for a little bit. Okay. There we go. So I want to see what that looks like without that light. Because the fog will still be there, adding the skylight, or the fake skylight. That's pretty cool, honestly. And this area isn't as big as I was thinking. So I think this will be a pretty reasonable size for, like, I want just a straight line level with some weird, like, with weird lighting on it, and basically just a black background around it. And I think I'll have something at the bottom of this be insta-kill, either just another death plane, or something more creative, like toxic water or something. Actually, that'd be pretty good. Yeah, I think I'll do poison water, so that way the player doesn't have to fall very far, and it's more intuitive than the death planes. Especially when it's so dark, like a black pit isn't gonna obviously kill you. Like, it's sort of dubious as to whether or not this is lethal or not. Okay, and it's pretty easy to get back. This is a very dastardly platform. Well, now it's not so dastardly. Now that it's, like, physically possible. I do think players are going to get really disoriented by that. But that's on purpose now. Now that I've figured out the tip, because it took me several minutes to remember or realize what was happening, and I made it, so it's probably not really fair or reasonable to ask the player to do that, but oh well. I think this will be a pretty cool little area. And I'm thinking that I really probably should make this a whole separate chunk, because it has nearly as much it could have nearly as much content as the entire thing up above us. But what I'll do instead is just add a big old occluder. And it'll be right here. Because I'm not going to have anything, like, important on the other side of this line or something. That'll be the last of the work for today. Yeah, let's say right here. Nothing at all. And then it's like, yeah. Alright, that seems pretty effective. And I don't even need to, like, cross this out, because it'll just hide it there. In fact, I may need to adjust this occluder. I'll do that. Yeah, because this one, it'll just barely not cross that tunnel. Alright, I think that's an okay amount of work today. I don't think I did that much. Oh yeah, I put some crap here. I fixed some bugs. I'm sure I did other things. I didn't even test the wardrobes. Hang on. Where am I? Let's just put a wardrobe wherever I am. Where is that? Oh. That explains that. There we go, finally. Alright. I'm pretty sure I'm here. Oh yeah, I'm not. I probably should have made these chunks smaller from like a performance standpoint. Alright, where are they? There we go. So yeah, critical task to examine. Nope, still has its dithering. So yeah, I was trying to make sure, I was trying to see if I could change the like depth draw properties, because I think that's also what affects how shadows are rendered. But yeah, it's using the pixel shader. And the problem is, I've realized that that's actually the correct answer in most cases. Like, for things like alpha clipping, you want the proper shader, because otherwise it's like a full polygon, rather than like, you know, individual blades of grass for a texture or something in the shadows. So this is like the only time where this is the wrong answer, because now the shadows are all weird. But if I don't have it, then it's like all screwed up. Also, it's weird how the player's mouth just disappears in like low lighting conditions. Like, what if I... That's spooky. I'll keep that there for now. That's fun. Alright, let's save all this stuff. What have I done? No. Bug fixes, content, and refactoring. Great commit. Very informative. Let's do chunk 85 work, new laser. Okay. So I guess tomorrow, did I do any of my to-do stuff? Oh yeah. I still need to see this. Is it fixed? And then there's the other bug, which was, uh-oh, I forgot what it was. Oh, right. I think I'm just going to make it so that if the player slides for a few seconds, for a bit, without movement, stop sliding. Or I don't think this works because I've tried this exact strategy of like checking for like if it hits one thing and then it hits the other wall. Like basically like, I'll do a little demo. What I would like is if we have geometry like this and we have a little character that's moving like this, I would like it to do like first it moves one direction like this, and then it slides into this direction. And I would like for it to get both of these points, but it typically only gets one each frame for some reason. I don't know what exact behavior is happening there, because you would think the player's velocity would also be affected by that, but I've had issues even detecting that through velocity. So that is something, or this is something that I'll have to figure out if that works, because that'd be the ideal solution. But otherwise I can just check for this. Make him not slide. And also, once they stop sliding, even if it's only for one frame, they start regenerating stamina, and then with their climbing, they should be able to get out of whatever weird thing they're in. But I'll probably make it for like a fraction of a second instead. But oh well. That's all for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.